Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Nissan Altima. First, locate the Settings or Clock button on your dashboard or infotainment system. This button is usually near the display. Press it to enter the Time Adjustment menu. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked before attempting any adjustments to avoid distractions while driving. This ensures your safety and proper focus on the task. Once in the Time Adjustment menu, you'll typically find buttons labeled Hour or H. Use these to increase or decrease the hour. Cycle through until the correct hour is displayed. If your Altima's clock uses a 12-hour format, be sure to verify whether it's set to AM or PM to ensure accuracy. Take your time to get it just right. Now move on to setting the minutes. Look for buttons marked Minute or M. Press these to advance the minutes until the precise minute is shown on the display. It's a good idea to double-check the entire time, both hours and minutes, for accuracy before you finalize the setting. This ensures your clock is perfectly synchronized. Finally, to save your newly adjusted time, locate and press the Set or Enter button. Your Nissan Altima's clock should now display the correct time, keeping you punctual on all your journeys. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.